Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my filming setup. I asked you guys a couple videos back if you were interested in seeing how I film my videos, and a lot of you guys said yes. So I'm going to be showing you my whole setup and how I film them. I will have all of the products that I'm using linked in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's an overview of my filming setup. So first, starting off with my backdrops, I hold all of my backdrops on this Limostudio backdrop stand, which I bought off Amazon for around $35. I buy all of my paper backdrops from either Amazon or from B&H, and then my Sequin Backdrops are also from Amazon. I'm going to have links to all of these in my description box below. And then to light my backgrounds, I just use this clamp light, which you can buy at either Home Depot or Lowe's for under $10. And then when I'm not using backdrops, I just have this desk behind me, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then to light that background up, I use these lights, which are from Walmart. They're from the brand Mainstays. So moving over on either side of my desk, I have these insulation boards, which are from Home Depot. And basically the silver side just helps reflect the light onto me. So here's kind of an overview of what I see behind the camera. So I have 3 soft boxes, 2 on either side and then 1 above my head. And then I also have a ring light. And then you have my microphone, which just hangs above me. And then on my desk, I have a mirror and then my laptop. So these 2 soft boxes I bought off of Amazon. They're from the brand Limostudio and they came in a set of 2 and they're actually pretty affordable. And my ring light is also from Amazon. It's from the brand Neewer and it's an 18-inch ring light. And then above my head I have another softbox light which is on a boom pole. This is from the brand Studio FX, which is also from Amazon. So I have my microphone on this boom microphone stand, which is also from Amazon. Pretty much everything I have is from Amazon. So basically this just puts my microphone like above my head, so the sound is a lot better because the mic is a lot closer to me. The microphone I use is the Takstar SGC598, and this is a super affordable microphone, but the sound quality is actually pretty good. I just have that plugged in with a 6-foot audio cable that goes all the way to my camera, and I bought it from Best Buy. So behind all of my lights, I just have my camera on this Amazon Basics tripod. The camera I use is the Canon EOS Rebel SL1, which is a more affordable DSLR camera, and I film with the Canon 50mm 1.8 lens, and I normally film on manual focus, so I have to have my husband focus me first before I start filming, and that's because this lens doesn't have very good autofocus, so it normally goes in and out of focus like constantly. So on the side of my camera I have this cord plugged in, which is the audio cable to my microphone, and then this other one is a cord that goes to my computer so I can see myself on the screen. So here are the settings that I film on, and then as you can see I have a full battery life, and that's because I use a power adapter instead of batteries. So one side of the power adapter plugs into the battery part of my camera, and then I just plug the other end into the power strip on my desk. So on my desk I have this big silver reflector, and I bought this off of Amazon. It just helps reflect the light up onto me. And then I also have this mirror, which is also from Amazon, and it lights up. So over here I have my MacBook Pro, and this is where I view myself when I'm filming my videos. So what's great about the Canon EOS utility is that not only can you see yourself, but you can also press record from here, and you can also change your camera settings if you need to. So that is my filming setup. I hope that this video was helpful, especially for those of you guys who are maybe wanting to start a channel and you're not really sure how to set everything up, or if you already have a channel and maybe you're looking for some tips on lighting and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys want to see like a full tour of this room, and I could show you, my makeup collection and all of that. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a house tour, because I would definitely film one of those if you guys want to see that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you click the bell so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.